How to send message on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send message on Twitter. First thing, go to Twitter and then click this one here, click on it and then click here, write a message and then click this one, click any account you want to send a message to it. Just click anything and then click next. And now, as you see, now you can type anything you want, test, and as you see, message has been sended. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.